that mountain and other parts of the country. If Murima has left him, which other part of the country is he going to convince to join him?
Haya. Kuna hesabu ulinipigianga kitambo, nataka tuipige tena.
Yes.
So let's say someone wants to run for president.
Yes.
Haya, to calculate. Where do you get which votes where?
Let me do the lay of the land. This is the landscape.
Okay.
35% of registered voters are Gema.
35% Gema.
Yes.
Hii ni Murima.
Murima.
13%
of registered voters
13%
are Luo.
Luos.
12.8% of registered voters are Luya.
Luya.
11.7% of registered voters are Kalenjin.
Kale. Wakala 11.
11.7.
Oh wow. Okay.
Kamba, 11.2% of registered voters are Kamba.
11.2 Kamba.
That is
Sasa uko fiti. What happened to Munez? If there was someone who's gonna kill me, I'm dead. Hiyo surprise inafaa Munez akuwa naziona zote. Wow, alafu amevaa yellow and we're just talking about Kambas, like right on cue. Say Kambas 11.2% and she walks right in. Looking like a banana. So 35% Gema, 13.5 Luos.
no 13.
13 Luos. 12.8 Luyas. 11.7 Kales.
Yes.
11.2 Kamba.
Yes. That is 83%. That is the big five.
83%.
83. Big five. For those who analyze using tribal arithmetics, not Safina. Safina has your ideology, economy, but we are. Yes. Then for the others, the highest in the others is Kisii.
Okay.
The others constitute 17%, but the largest registered block in that group is Kisii.
Kisii.
Followed by Mijikenda.
Okay.
After Mijikenda,
Mijikenda pia wapo?
Yes, after Mijikenda is Somali. After Somali is Masai. Then Turukana. Then others.
Turukana, okay. Okay. So all of this makes 17%.
17%.
That is remaining.
Yes.
Okay.
So if you want to run a tribal campaign, those are your numbers. So tell me, even assuming William Ruto was to get 11%, 100% of Kalenjin votes, which he will not get. Where's the path to power? Where's the path to power?
Nifungue calculator. Haya. Sawa. So presidency 2026. So Ruto shows up 11.2.
Assuming he gets all of them, 11.7. Assuming he gets all of it, which is impossible.
Okay, tuweke hata 10 bas. Kama atapata wote. Tuseme apata 10%.
10%, yes.
Because wengine unaona ameolewa na Mjaluo, Mkikuyu nini, so 10. Haya. Wakamba.
If you are voting tribal, they'll go with their tribesman, right?
So tuseme amepata.
So he cannot get anything from that block.
No, tuseme apate.
No, if they have their man, we are saying tribal vote.
Yeah, but
this
now,
is a tribal arithmetic.
But with Kalonzo, we can never tell.
No. I'm saying, as it is now, he's a candidate.
Yeah, but with
Kalonzo. As it is now, he's a candidate.
Oh, as it is, Kalonzo is running.
He has said openly.
Oh, wow. Okay, that changes it. Okay, kama Kalonzo is running, then Wakao.
Kando.
Ruto asahau. Haya, tukuje kwa Luya.
Natembeya is being tormented by the state for saying Tawe. Do you think he can get all that 12.8?
No, tuseme atapate 5.
Ampatie hiyo 5.
Haya.
That is 15.
Atapata 15%. Wajaluo. Of course, hawa atapata wote.
Assuming, I don't think so, but assuming, argument's sake, give him.
Baba.
No, assuming, but give him, for argument's sake. What is the percentage that he has?
28.
The Gema vote is at 35%.
Gema. Haya. Si bado tunakuja kwa Gema. Pia Wakikuyu wote, wa Mlima wote wanasema Ruto must go.
What that tells you, off the blocks, even with, assuming even he has all Luos, assuming he has all Kambas, all Kalenjins, assuming, which is impossible, off the blocks, he's a very weak candidate. He's at 28. That is plus half lawyers.
Tukimuongeza, wacha tumuongeze Wakikuyu. Come on, guys, msikwe hivyo.
It can.
Let's do, guys. Why are we being emotional? I thought we are a media house. We are supposed to be.
What I was telling you, Obida, what we are saying is this.
Yeah.
The numbers, the path to power is narrow. It doesn't exist for him. But that is on tribal voting. As we are on issue voting.
Tutakuja kwa Safina. Ngoja kwanza tumalize hapa hii hesabu, tumalize kitu kabisa. Tumuongeze 10.
From where?
Wakikuyu.
From where?
Si watu Murima.
Where? They have left him. His MPs are being stoned here and they go to the village. Just can't get it.
So there's no way Ruto is winning 2026.
There's no path to power. I've told you, I'm a student of elections. I study trends.
Without,
but I've told you 54% of his votes are from the mountain.
So the people who are giving the direction of our country ni watu wa Murima.
It's a major voting block you cannot ignore. Yeah. It's a major voting block. And they vote as a block, you cannot ignore it.
Tukuje kwa Baba. Tuseme Baba is running again. Tuhesabu yake.
Now, if Baba is running, I want you to understand Baba from the premise of the last elections.
Okay.
He had always, do the math.
Okay, 13 plus.
He controlled almost 3/4 of lawyers.
So tuseme hapo tumpatie 8.
He controlled all the Kambas. Yeah, Kalonzo was with him.
11.
What a percentage of?
Ako 32.
And he was the king of others.
17.
Yeah, he was the king of Mount Kenya. I mean,
about 49.
Mijikenda, Kisii, all those, he was the king.
Yeah, Zako tuko 49.
Ruto got some of them. So maybe out of 17, maybe didn't get all the 17.
So tumbati at 10.
But out of that 12.
12.
That is
44.
That is what made Raila competitive. So he can only be competitive if he gets all those blocks. He maintains.
Wow.
As things stand today, be honest to him. Does he have that whole block intact? As things stand today.
He's in a lawyer.
Because Kalonzo is wobbling, right? He's not with Raila.
Yeah.
So 44 minus the Kalonzo contribution, it's minus what?
So basically for someone to be a president, if you don't have the gamer block, it's a little bit tricky.
It is not a little bit tricky. It is difficult but doable. In 2017, we did it with Raila. Until Uhuru had to rig. But you must have a narrative. Supreme Court caught him rigging.